Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and as you can see, it started to get sunny again in my city, and it seems like the monsoon rain or the rainy season would be over soon. And I was actually very excited early in the morning to take a time-lapse video of the clouds and my succulents. Unfortunately, when I came home today and just now, this is what I saw on our succulent table. It's very messy as of now, and you would notice that there's a lot of potting mix scattered around the table and even here at our rooftop. So I suspect that the birds actually came and played again with our potting mix. And yeah, it's really very disappointing. We have our Beyonce here. Every time the birds come, they do actually dig the potting mix of this Beyonce. And this has been happening for the past 3 weeks. But this is the only time I vlog again after the very first time I vlog about the birds attacking our succulents. So this one is our propagation of our Echeveria lawi. And what else? Literally, almost our entire succulent table is a mess right now. We have this flapjack that has been destroyed again. But some of our succulents are literally gone, and I really need to do something. I cannot just keep on fixing or cleaning the mess every time I go home every day. Those birds are stressing me out almost every day in the past 3 weeks, and it's even getting worse day by day. I also have here our propagation of our ghost plant, and here it is now. Most of the leaves were literally uprooted from our potting mix. We can even see some bite marks. All of our leaf propagations here have offsets and roots already, but I'm not so sure if they will continue to grow if the birds just keep on coming and uprooting them. So by the way, this happened about 4 or 5 times already. I'm just trying to fix them again and again. And here's the worst part. Today, I just discovered that inside our mini greenhouse, our leaf propagations here are scattered. And I don't know. So most of these are actually our rare succulent leaf propagations. We even have our beheaded succulents right there. So I don't know exactly how I can stop those birds from coming in our greenhouse. So I think I need to stop using the rice hull in my potting mix and just use the old potting mix that I've been using before. So here are our beheaded succulents. Some of our succulent propagations are also missing, and so I really need to deal with this problem as soon as possible, and I'll just be giving you an update next time whether or not I was able to control the birds from coming in our rooftop. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.